Now we will practice Unit 8, Jobs, Vocabulary. These people, they work in town. He works for the post office. She works for the police station. Mailman, except it is one word. Mailman, mailman, mailman. He's a mailman. Post office, employee. Post office employee or post office worker. He's a post office employee. Police officer. Police officer. She's a police officer. Policeman, except it's one word. Policeman. And police officer. Police officer. A policeman it needs to be a man, not a woman. Policeman. But a police officer can be a man or a woman. Now we will practice jobs. These jobs have the people are cleaning. These are cleaning jobs. A custodian. Custodian. She is a custodian. She's a custodian. Homemaker. Homemaker. She's a homemaker. Housekeeper. She's a housekeeper. Or house cleaner. House cleaner. She's a house cleaner. House cleaner. Yeah, the stress is here. House cleaner. House cleaner.